That's his phone. Oh,
I took that one. Where do you want
to 12:45. Perfect. Cool.
Sunday.
Hard worker, but there's a new coach and new system to fit this.
What a spec. This is the one I've been looking for the whole show. So this is a 550 Maranello Pro Drive race car. It was raced in period. The estimate on this thing is $500,000, I think. Yeah, 2001 550 V12. That's the business right there. Very cool.
Congratulations.
I mean, is that
Every dog.
So you're gonna go back inside?
Yeah, I'll go back inside.
Are we selling a car? Still, Ford originally owned by the king of cool himself, the legendary actor and car enthusiast, Steve McQueen. Restored to McQueen specification from 2010 to 2013 by Ferrari F50 under the ownership of champion racing driver Vern Shipping. Certified with Ferrari Classic Red Bull contains numbers matching engine and gearbox, documents and factory superior correspondence from Mr. McQueen himself, and history reported by Mark expert Marcel Cassini. Because there's something new.
Have you here for $4,900,000? At $4,900,000. At $4,900,000. Not there. $4,900,000. At $4,900,000. There it is. Fair warning and selling. Congratulations. At $4,900,000. Your sell. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Thank you, sir.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Very well known ownership history, documented in the SAAC World Registry and formerly owned by British touring car champion Mr. Frank Sidner. Powered by the legendary 427 images, side examples, restored and remastered by Good Works. All commissions are sold out, any such orders are also sold out, so this is your opportunity. Number 2 Good Works.
Look at that. The vintage.
At $1,200,000 for this incredibly striking car. At $1,200,000, $1,300,000. At $1,300,000, that's $1,000,000.
Yeah, that is a baller Aston right there.
$1,400,000.
More amount of MLED 2.0 projectors on the headlights.
Here it is.
Sounds good, man.
showing just 78 miles at the time of capital.
78 miles on that. 78, man.
Constructed entirely of carbon fiber and
78 miles on this Jaguar.
Well,
depending on these auction results, we'll know here soon.
Lexus LFA. It's offered without reserve. Just like you, really, 47 miles at the time of catalog. Little without graphic, all still present on the car, on the steering wheel, on the seats. It's the 188 for 500 examples produced
These things are
2010 and 2012. You've got it at $1 million. Fair warning. Here it goes to you. Congratulations. You're playing. Everybody loves that. Thank you very much indeed.
$1 million.
Before we give you the key is your panel number. Only 106 custom examples built for the model year 1987. Currently offered with fewer than 9,500 kilometers at the time of cataloging. Presenting the rarely seen combination of polar silver over dark grey leather, accompanied by tools and its original manuals. An 80s icon, lot number 368. Thank you very much, Will, and we're going to kick off here at $700,000 now. It's $700,000. Here it is for the Porsche Comfort at $700,000. Here we're at $700,000, $750,000, $800,000. Here at $800,000. Give me 50 at $850,000. And $1,003,000. Thank you, Thatcher. At $1,300,000. There it is. Way at the back at $1,300,000. I'm going to give you 4. $1,350,000. $1,500,000. I'm selling it here. Now wanting to you at $1,500,000. It's called Spinner, and it gets you up here. Last chance, and selling it. $1,525,000. $1,525,000. Give you 50.
I remember when these.
So your big board, I'm selling it to you for $1,550,000. There it goes, 8425. Thank you very much. Lot number 300. Without reserve, pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. Lot number 80 of 99 inches worldwide, approximately a dozen of which was stated for US left-hand drive export model delivered to the United States, restored in attractive colours under pre-protection, accompanied by a BMI HD certificate. Please be advised the vehicle has been rebuilt for the 1995 BMW E36 Lightweight.
I'm buying it.
Offered without reserve, ladies and gentlemen. One of 10 pre-production examples brought to the United States for competition use, initially sold as a model exclusive to the US market, showing 26,600. Final warning to you all at $95,000. That's the last lot, and we're selling it here. $95,000. The hammer is up. Fair warning and selling. Roger, it's yours. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed. Can we have the number, please?
Let's do it.
Roger.
Well, it looks like the market has realized that the E36 M3 Lightweights are pretty special. Speaking of special, 550 Maranello, raced at Le Mans, won. 959 Comfort, just sold for $1.5 million.
Look at those tires.
What in the hell?
Oh my god. That's super cool. Are those rotiforms? Those are aero discs.